Chicken pops with glaze. First of all, prepare the deboned chicken. And cut it into cubes or bite-sized pieces. Also, put the chopped chicken in a mixing bowl. Add only half a teaspoon of pepper, chicken powder, 0.1 tablespoon fish sauce and minced garlic. One egg. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix it well. Just squeeze a quarter-sized amount of lemon, or you can also use calamansi. Mix it thoroughly and let it marinate for just 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you can coat it with homemade breading mixed. Place the coated chicken in a strainer to remove excess breading mix. And shake it off. Pour the right amount of oil and heat it to 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 to 190 degrees Celsius. And you can fry the chicken pop using medium heat. Cook it until it turns golden brown. You can now remove it from the heat and set it aside. For the glaze, use quarter-size stick of butter, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 3 grams of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, just mix them all together. Half a teaspoon of pepper and sugar. Stir. Add 1 tablespoon of seasoning. You can now put the pre-cooked chicken pops back in and mix them with the glaze. Just sprinkle it with sesame seeds for the final touch.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updates to my YouTube channel. Thanks!